Hi friends, welcome to Blended Hearts Homestead. Tonight I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes for a cold winter day, or just whenever you're craving some sausage and potatoes. And the best part of it is, it's ready in under an hour. So stick around and I'll show you how to make it.
Show me how to make it. Stick around.
For this recipe, you're going to need 1 pound of sausage. You can use any kind of sausage that you like. The recipe calls for Italian sausage. I am actually using mild sausage from one of the pigs that we butchered last fall. You need 1 stick of butter, half of a medium onion diced up small, 2 stalks of celery cut up small, some minced garlic, flour, 1 pound of whole potatoes peeled and sliced. I am actually using these 2 cans out of our pantry because we're trying to use up some of the stuff in the pantry. Chicken broth, half and half, W sauce, because I can't pronounce it right. And optional, you can have crushed red peppers. And I'll go over the measurements as we do the recipe. Here I am using some of my saved bacon grease to fry up the sausage with. Add 1 pound of your sausage to the frying pan. When your meat is nearly done in the frying pan, take out a large cook pot and set it nearby for the next step. Take the frying pan off the burner and put your large pot onto the burner. At this point, you are going to drain about 1 tablespoon of grease from your frying pan into the large pot. Then drain the rest of the grease from the sausage. Place the sausage on a plate lined with a paper towel and set aside for now. Next, you're going to add in 1 stick of butter and melt it down completely. Once your butter has melted, you're going to add in half of a medium onion that you've diced small and 2 stalks of celery that you've cut up into small pieces. Saute the onion and the celery for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. You're hungry? Now add in 6 tablespoons of flour. Stir the garlic and the flour, cooking for about 2 minutes, breaking it up with your spoon and stirring it as you go along. This step cooks the raw flour flavor out and will help to thicken up the soup. Using a whisk, you are going to slowly add in 4 cups of chicken broth, or 1 whole 32-ounce container. Again, make sure you add this in slowly, whisking as you go until all the flour has dissolved and there are no lumps. Getting myself all sorts of yuck. At this point, the soup will seem very thin, but don't worry, it will thicken up as it continues to cook. Stir in 2 cups of half and half. Add in 1 teaspoon of W sauce, and please forgive me for not being able to pronounce that. As an option, you can add a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, or more if you desire. These flakes don't make the soup particularly spicy, but it does give a little warmth. Feel free to add more in as needed or leave them out altogether. If you're using hot Italian sausage, then you may not want to include them. Next, add in your 1 pound of potatoes. Finally, you're going to add your cooked sausage to the pot as well and stir. At this point, you're going to increase the heat on your oven to high and bring the soup to a boil. Then you'll reduce the heat so it's bubbling but not boiling like crazy. You'll then cover the pot with the lid slightly open and let the soup simmer for about 15 minutes or until the potatoes are tender and the soup has thickened up to where you like it. Stir on occasion to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. It will probably take about 8 to 12 minutes to actually bring the soup to a boil before you're going to lower the heat and simmer. Once your soup has simmered for 15 minutes, take the lid off and again give it another stir. Then turn the heat off on the oven. By now the soup should be nice and thick and ready to be enjoyed. I also like to add a little shredded cheddar cheese to the soup. Gives it a little bit more of a flavor kick. Makes it even creamier. And there you have it. A nice warm bowl of soup for dinner. And I have an excellent biscuit recipe you can check out right here that'll go perfectly with this soup. If there are any soups or other recipes that you like, please leave a comment below and let me know. I love learning new recipes. If you do make this soup, let me know in the comments below what you thought about it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up sign below, subscribe and share, and have a wonderful day. God bless you.
And shout the ball! I turned it on.
Oh, turn it off.
No.
Turn it off. Ooh, we were
Welcome to Blended Hearts Homestead.
Say welcome to Blended Hearts Homestead.
Welcome to Blended Hearts Homestead. What did I say?
Good job.